Welcome to QuickGuides. Today, we're breaking down the differences between ChatGPT, Bard, and Bing Chat, with clear tips to help you pick the best AI assistant for your everyday tasks. Each AI model shines in different scenarios. ChatGPT excels at creativity and structure. Bard benefits from Google's live search and real-time data. Bing Chat is great for quick web link tasks thanks to deep Microsoft ecosystem integration. Use each AI as a specialized tool. ChatGPT is perfect when you need clear writing. Bard helps with research-heavy tasks. Bing Chat is your assistant when you're already working inside Microsoft's ecosystem. AI can simplify daily routines, from planning your week with ChatGPT to product comparison with Bard and shopping assistance through Bing Chat. These extra features can drastically improve your AI experience. Learning through role play, verifying info instantly, or using edge-integrated tools all save time and boost confidence in the results. There's no single best AI, just pick the one aligned with your tasks. Combine them to get the strongest result in any situation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, QuickGuides, to get quick and useful tips that will make your life easier and better.